Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Been day trading about 3 years now. Still a daily struggle, but I'm streaming my journey live every market open, so you guys can see my entries, exits, all my processes, my wins, my failures, all that type of stuff, man. If you want to join me on that journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Anyway, we are here. We're live. It's Thursday, August 8th. And still have no idea what to expect from the market. We are inside of this range um, of the last really 4 days, 3 days. But yeah, man, I don't know what to expect right now. But we're just going to be here to react. Wave Rider, what's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. Is that where I would put that? Probably down here. But we'll leave it there. Yup. So, what's everybody looking like? Pretty strong, eh? SPY's looking good. Nvidia. Meta. Okay, we looking pretty good out here. But this doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything. We got a long way to go to get to. We are right in the middle of yesterday, so yeah, I don't know. What's that? In the middle of yesterday and the bottom of yesterday. I mean, in the middle of yesterday, yeah. I guess the bottom of. Put a little high right here on this high volume day. Um. Hmm. What does that look like to me? I don't know. Kind of look like we need to head back down this way. 423. But let's see where we open at. Good morning, Three Pony. All right, so yesterday it's kind of spiraling a bit and just getting chopped up. It was a choppy morning, and then man, when it stopped being choppy, that thing ran, and I was not here for it. But yeah, just gotta be more patient before each trade. I think if I stop out on the 5, then my next trade needs to be on the 15. Like I need to zoom out a little bit. And yeah, just be more patient and calculate. I know what to do. I know what to do. Usually before I make a mistake, I hear it in my head like, I don't know if you should do that. And I just do it anyway. Um when I get quiet, y'all see me quiet and I'm just looking and I ain't talking, and you start seeing some buttons clicking. That's like the first sign of a rule break. uh try to talk through my trades and my thoughts, and maybe saying some of the stuff out loud to help. VWAP's a long way down. Hard to not expect it to pull back there. It's way up. Wouldn't be a bad. Could take probably a 20-cent long on the S keys back up to VWAP on the real. Pretty nice looking 2-minute ORB actually on the S keys. Let's just go ahead and commit to that joint. We jumped in there. Mm. Now we got to see what happens at VWAP. Because if we're having a bullish day, it will make sense for it to bounce right here. But if we're not, if we're not, it'll make sense to try to save 4 cents. Hey, Muhammad Nadeem, what's going on, bro? Going all right now. See if my mind is in sync with the market or not. Typically, when I've seen it, things uptrend and open really extended from VWAP, they typically want to pull back into VWAP. Um, Before continuing their move up. So that being said, I'm kind of I guess overall bearish on the day, just based on the last few days price action and where we're at in that range. So, and this is a superb 2-minute opening range breakout, like superb, because the range of the opening candle is pretty close to the range of the pre-market candles, and there's a really high volume on it, so that's a pretty good sign. But we'll see. 439.04, 439.07. Basically gonna be looking for 439 to break on the Qs. And Joe Dub. What's up, bro? Yeah, so we'll see what happens here. Did we get over that? I really could just stop right here. Yeah, I could stop right there. What's this low? 42, 41. Yeah, we could stop right there. Let's give it a moment. Let's just ride the trade, man. We in it. We in it. On as well. Let it prove us wrong before getting out. Oh, so I wrote a y'all know I like to add to my positions. And sometimes I miscalculate in my head what the ad will do to my average, and thus what it will where it will require my stop to go. And so I wrote this little Python script um, to calculate my average. So I'll put in like I got 100 shares at 1044. And then if I want to add, let's see, I want to add another 50 shares over 1052. That'll make my average 10.46, which is pretty cool. I can live with that. Because then my stop would need to be 60 cents, 66 cents. Or wait, hold on. 10 divided by 150, not 15. So 6 cents. And yeah, that'll put my stop just under here. Yeah, I was thinking that too. That's gonna be version 2. Yeah, that's gonna be version 2. Dang, you're right. You're right, because I can just set it based on my 1R. Hey, my man. Yeah. Hmm. I need to fix this so that it doesn't give more than 2 decimals also. But yeah, man. Uh-oh. Yeah. I ain't mad, man. It's scary out here. So, um, I'm in it now. If I get stopped here, then I'm basically moving to like a next level of criteria before I can take a second trade. So, um, yeah, basically like need more confirmation on a higher time frame. Probably need to break out of the new range if I stop. But I'm definitely not taking more positions inside of the range. That's what I don't want to do. Yeah, yo, that thing breaking down, yo. That thing is breaking down. Yeah, I just can't be like jumping right back in. Like that's always an emotional move where you just feel like excuse me, you feel like you got done wrong and you know you were right, so you just need to get back in. That type of thought process. You gotta definitely take a step back because my stop is always at underneath a higher low. So whenever my stop gets hit, that means it's made a lower low. The trend is changing. You gotta reevaluate. You can't just assume that it was a fluke. It was a big deal. You know, it's like I gotta trust my stop loss more. And when it hits, it's like okay, this is not going the way I thought it was gonna go. But this is definitely going the way I thought it was gonna go. Well, the way I wanted it to go anyway. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and move this trade to break even. So free trade, no risk on this bad boy. Man, this thing could really. Where's the friction? Let's check out. Let's uh, let's look at these cues real quick. Um, the chart defines the range, so the range would just be the high and the low of the day. If the range is past like a reasonable expectancy, like if the daily range is $4 and the range is already moved and that I would be waiting to break over is like $3, then it's not worth a trade. So there still just has to be enough room left in the average range to make it worthwhile. But shoot, man, probably back down to 434 today. Did I change my R? Oh, I'm doing $10 risk right now. $10 risk. Yeah, break even. Once we got to 20, I'm sitting there break even. Um, um, I honestly haven't really, I haven't really seen pre-market be that significant to me. Um, oh yeah, 30. Oh yeah, bro, 30. I was getting destroyed at 35, man. Making way too many mistakes to trade at 35. Unfortunately. But yeah, honestly, I was expecting it. I should probably be back at $5 today after my last couple of days. Yesterday for sure. Now we see what happens. Yes, sir. What's going on, Trenches? Yeah, for sure. Like if I got stopped out break even, I wouldn't re-engage the SQs unless it broke over this high. And I wouldn't flip over to the Qs unless they made a high of day. What's up, Artem? I think we're doing pretty good. I'm stops at break even already on this move. Just trying to see if it's a we're gonna hold VWAP and move back up, or if this was just a pullback before flipping the other way. Almost had 3R on this puppy. I might have even tapped 3R. Yeah. Well, I got 20 cents, so yeah, that would have been 3R. So yeah, it's gonna suck to get stopped out if that's what's about to happen. Could have took a little something, but we'll see how it acts right here. Um, yeah, I answered that. Yeah, yeah, that was definitely true, Joe. I'm just trying to. I feel like I'm past due. you know. So, well, I think we're done with this 2 minute guy. Man. Getting to the bag. I should have taken something out, man. Knowing that it was things have been so wild, that would have been nice to take that 3R, or at least capture the 2 when we tap the 3. But we shall see. Oh yeah. So you think we bounce back and make new highs from here, Artem? Wow. Okay. The SPY did make bounce back and make new highs. Okay. Hmm. You mean instead of moving up to break even? Oh, you're saying as far as taking profit. Yeah. Yeah. You know, this is it's a winning trade. Like, because if you think about it, once you take a trade, you've lost that R. You've put that R out into the market. That R, only way you get that R back is if, you get to profit. So the R is gone. And once I get to 2R, I won my R back. And now let's see if we can get some profit on top. Yeah, that part, man. That part. Hmm. I don't know, man. I probably should have left my stop at the. This might have been another one where I just lower time framed my way out. But we'll see. I ain't lose anything. You know, pretty much right back where I got in. Almost want to go along the queues now, but I'm gonna wait for that. All right, so hmm, that sounds awful, Ben. Yeah, I know you support it. All right, decided to jump on this 15-minute break right here. Uh, whoa. Mm-hmm. All right, new hot day on the cues. Okay, I like this. All right, we up $1 so far. $4.39. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, there's 1 R in the bank. Well, not in the bank, but on the table. What's up, Brandon? Yeah, buddy. You in what you in, Brandon? You in the Q's or the Spy or something? I ain't heard nothing out of Wave Rider. Did you buy that dip? That dippity dip. Man, Spy is super strong. It feels good when you see price reacting to your pre-drawn support and resistance lines. It's like, yeah, I drew that right in the right spot. Yeah, that's the spot. All right, so hopefully this thing at least will hold the top of this opening range. Oh yeah, just woke up and bought it, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna see if this thing is gonna hold right about there. Right, right. Well, I thought the NAS 100 would be closer to the Qs than the SPY. Because the Qs is the NASDAQ, right? But an index, basically. I got you. On the future side. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Now that is a tempting ad right there. That is a tempting ad. That's $2 up. Well, $1 up from where I'm at. But it's right over the top of the range. I could move my stop up to right under 440 at like another 50 cent. What is this? 442.40. That's been a significant level too. What did that do? 7, 91, and 3, 441.35. That would be terrible. It's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it where it's at, man. I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. See this calculator here. That'll raise 3 shares would raise my position. Yeah, nah, I'm cool. I'm gonna just ride with my little 7 shares. See where they get us. Oh, there we go. New higher day on the Qs. Whoop whoop. Mm-mm. 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 It's looking pretty good right now, y'all. This is a pretty nice little setup here on the 15. You know, pull back a little bit and pew, 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 pew. Mm-hmm. Still ain't back to where how much we were up on that SQ's trade. Dang, bruh. What we looking like here on the inside? Okay, okay, okay. It's looking kind of thin, actually. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me. For the community. I think we're having a nice disciplined morning. I think. Man, I could have got 1 R off of this though. I've been thinking about my profit taking strategy and how I like to move it up to higher lows, but sometimes I get into the R's and it's just off of a few candles and there's no like higher lows to move your stop up to. And I think those type of trades are the ones where I need to be strict on the 1R capture. Like when I got to 3R on this, I should have definitely moved my stop up to 2R. Because there was just no, this was just a pop. You know what I mean? It wasn't like a nice climb where you can just drag it up on the higher lows, you know? It really didn't even move that much for me to have made. I guess from here to here is a nice little climb, which makes this ad seem really high. But, you know, I managed it well enough to come out with 25 cents, which is better than a loss. That should cover the commissions. Yeah. I don't want to cap my winner. I'm always I want to see what it's gonna give me, what the market's gonna give me. So um, I just try to capture moves based on the chart, based on the price action. What's up, Trey? In the building. What about in range type proven trend? Hmm. Yeah, that's basically, yeah. That's well put there, Ben. That's basically hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause I mean, I could have capitalized off that. Yeah, you think so? I don't know, man. These days been wild, but I feel you. What's this? Okay, we already above that high, so yeah, man. Maybe we can get up here to like 445, 447, man. Just got all this friction from yesterday, but the highest volume from yesterday was down here, and we're way above that. Maybe this 444.88. Yeah. Mhm. I like it when the chart starts morphing because it's at the top right corner, and now it's got to kind of change the range of the candles to make room. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. All right, we getting to some R's now. I think we over here cooking a little bit, man. I think we cooking a little bit over here, man. We got the fire started. We got the fire started a little bit over here. All right. Yes, sir. 250 into the money. 250 a share. Yeah, buddy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 437, 443. We already moved $6 today. Which I mean, compared to the last few days, that ain't nothing. Golly, this mug moved $20 on that day. 12, 6, 6. Who knows? Bro, I only risk $10, man, to take profit at 20, bro. I mean, 2R is significant though. I'm a little worried about that 444 level, but just gotta see, man. Nah, at 3R, that's when it's definitely time to start making some moves. Man, I don't like this. I don't like it. It might be time. Like, what I'm gonna sell? Two shares? It's early, y'all. It's still early, man. Let's put some Nah, 2R break even, 3R goes to 2R. Like once we hit 3R, it's definitely profit taking time. But for now, we letting it, letting it cook, man. You gotta let it cook for a little bit, you know. It just broke out. It's gotta come back and retest and gather up some more buyers. This, this is it's only the fourth candle of the day on the 15th. Nah, I don't think I had, did I have 3R? I don't think I was 3R. I think it went up to like 25. So almost 3R. I don't know. It might have tapped 3R. No, yeah, you right. You right. You right. It did tap 3R. Like to the penny. Because my average was 47 and I had 150 shares. And it went to 67. So that was 3R. And yeah, I did nothing. I moved it up to break even at 2R, but at 3R, it's because there was no. That's why I had that conversation about what to do when I'm in profit, but there's no like higher low to drag my stop under. That just go ahead and grab it in those situations. That's what made me have that conversation, Ben, because I did get to 3R and I didn't see a place to move my stop to. I would have just basically been taking the 2R and getting out of the trade. But that's okay on those kind of moves because this what usually happens. So, yeah. Diamond hands for sure, bro. I'm definitely diamond hands. I'm holding for the moon, man. Like, bro, look what happened yesterday, man. Like, look at this, yo. I think I took this, got stopped out here, and then I was maxed lost out for the day. But the move here would have been okay. It didn't break another low of day, so when it broke out the high, boom, you enter here, and now, bruh, like look at this, easy to manage on the fives. Stop up to where my little epic pen at, right? Get in here at the break of the high, and then we make this high. Now this one's scary because now your stop's up to here, and I don't know. When I see this kind of candle, it does make me want to hurry up and take my profit. But if I was able to be strong enough and keep my stop under that low, it comes down here, it doesn't break that low, and then makes a new high. You can raise your stop there, raise your stop there, raise your stop there, raise it there if you want it, and raise it there. And yeah, once this high comes, you can raise it there. And now you stopped out here and you took this whole position, managing on the five. So this is why I want to manage on the fives, and this is why I'm diamond hands because this is the move that I'm trying to catch. You know, Yeah, but the thing about that, bro, is it's the whole knife catching thing. But I think I can work with that as long as it's a higher low and I keep my stop under the low of day, Trey. I think that I could make that work. But I think those type of trades I end up ruining because of my adding. So I know a lot of people feel like the adding is an unnecessary complication, but it's just something that I'm committed to having that as a part of my system, and I'm gonna learn how to do it well. I don't feel like it's that much of a hindrance that I should be like, no, I don't want to add at all. But I'm just kind of fine tuning the adding process. It needs to basically be like an unbelievable adding opportunity. Like if this thing pulled back and came in basically to my entry and then, made a higher low, then it's like, man, that's a really sweet spot to add. But to add these constantly keep adding as it's breaking out, it's just raising my average and raising my stop too. So it's definitely a way to do it. Yeah, you're right. You're right, man. And I just got to get better at it. And that's what I'm here doing, man. I'm trying to get better at all this stuff. Trying to get better at all of it. Yeah, I feel that too, Artem. And I just got to survive to that point in the day. If I'm having a bad day, if I'm getting chopped up and I'm just keep attacking inside of the chop, I'm not going to make it to the actual break. So I got to be more patient and you know, not get emotional and FOMO on all that stuff that makes you make stupid decisions. Yeah, no doubt. All right, Brandon. Yes, sir. Take care, bro. Work hard. Work hard. Man, this could be a crazy breakdown if it breaks from here. I mean, a breakout if it goes up. When the abnormal stuff starts happening, that's when it gets like, oh my god, what do I do? Like if this breaks out and starts like, I'm gonna be like, damn, what do I do? But I guess I'll just go to the 1R thing. All right, so now we got to go to break even because we are at 2R. And I think that's a great spot for the stop. Okay, high day again on the cues. Breaking through 444. It's looking pretty darn good right now. But there's no, I guess you can manage on these 2-minute pullbacks really. Sometimes that's all you got. Might have to go on and do that. I wish I'd have just got 10 shares down here. No, I did good. I was trying to keep my risk at the $10 level. 442.70. Man, Signature, you in here today? What's going on, Signature? Hey, we looking pretty good right now, y'all. We looking pretty good. I'm very anxious to get my stop up into some profits. We are approaching 3R. 285. 443.76. Dang. Man, why the R's so bunched up? Like, it's like the difference between 2R and 3R. Well, I guess we got a ways to go. Hey, man, we running part-time. All right, you trading anything today, Signature? Hey, we cooking over here, y'all. Approaching 3R. Oh man, see now I don't want to move my stop up into this price action, bro. Like 2R is like right here. This is literally, this white line is where I would need to put my stop for 2R. I think this is probably the most reasonable spot, but hubs. You catch that bounce down there off of the bottom. That'd be nice. Z. Okay. Yeah, I like this right here. Right there over 48, man. 48.11. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that ain't bad. What's that daily looking like? Ah. Yeah, nice gap up, pull back down here. Yeah, bro, I like this. Yeah, I like that. Good luck to you on that one, sir. What's 3R on here? 30 divided by 7 is 428. Mm, 445.19. All right. So this is my 2R line. This is my 3R line. Pretty narrow ranges. That would be perfect, actually, if it goes in. Goes up from there. I'll just slide my stop right up under there. Right up under 444. Okay. Man, you just think though there's gotta be some kind of higher time frame pullback at some point. But maybe not. Oh, out of your range. Hmm. All right, this thing break. What is this? 445.27. I thought it was supposed to be 445.19. Yeah, there we go. All right, the thing break 445.19. I'm capturing my 2R. So here's to hoping. That ain't bad. Via here, like. That ain't bad. Here we go. Come on, baby. Let's break that 445. Uh-oh. There we go. That's 3R. Minimum word. We going up to 2R. We going up a little higher than. No, we'll go right up under there. Right up under there. Yes, sir. Hey, we in the profits, y'all. We got 2R on the books. Man, that feels great. uh, it's looking good, yo. Now we can relax and just see what it gives us, We had a super killer entry on the 15. This hammer candle down here through VWAP. Took the break of that. And we just been cooking ever since, man. Straight cooking. My guy. I'm gonna hold this. Yeah, no, what's that? There we go. All right, so it's a nice little pullback on the 5 too. Hey, it gave me everything I needed. I'm going right up tight to that. Gave me everything I wanted. A little 5-minute pullback. Broke a new high. Yeah. Got a little more than 3R. All right, what's 4R? 571. 446.62. Okay. That's our next level. What happened with Z? Ah man, see, bro, that was the clean entry down there over 48.11. That was a clean entry right over this high right here. Mm. Yeah, that was nice. I'm sorry you missed it. It was beautiful. Oh wow, look at that pop through. Oh wait, no, I seen that already. Don't start fizzing out now. There you go. You know, I don't think I do have a certain R I'm looking for. I'm just kind of looking to just trade my system and see what it gives me. You know, what's up, Jack? This might be. This might be it. Let me take a quick restroom break, y'all. Be right back. All right. So is that the top? Might be the top. We'll see. You know, now I kind of want to keep that mug under 444 because I think that would be a reasonable spot to retest. 2R is 70. 285. 443.76. Yeah, so I'm gonna give that thing a little room to cook. Little room to cook because I think 444 was a pretty significant level, and could definitely get a bounce there. So Just keep it right at 2R and give it room to wiggle. And now we got another 5-minute red candle to rest our stop under should we make another high from here. Dum, dum, dum. What's going on in here? I know, right? Should be prepping a swap to the SQs under 444, back down to 440. Well, that's nice to see. Or 45.44 is high of day. Oh, there goes that. New high of day. You might have to wait a little bit longer on that rug pull, Artem. I don't know. I don't know. All right. Stops up tight. Hood. Mm. 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 I think you could. This is not bad right here. Uh, yeah, I would just want to wait for some kind of confirmation that it's holding and moving over VWAP. But the higher time frame levels look pretty decent, for a bounce at least to 18. Um, maybe pre-market high. But I would just want to make sure this isn't just a pull into VWAP just to bounce back down some more. So I would say maybe wait for this 5 minute candle to close and break higher. The next candle to break higher, possibly. If I was playing it, not no this is not financial advice. I keep forgetting about that disclaimer. But yeah, like if this breaks above uh this high, maybe 1740, stop under the low of this candle. And see if you can get that up to 18. I don't think that's a bad idea. But you know, it's had a tough day so far. You got a catalyst behind that? They got some news or something? That's what I would be curious about. Hood is sending sketch. Sketch bucket vibes. Hey man, look at this bread on the table right here though. The bread. Alright. Just waiting for that thing to get on up. Come on 4R. It's probably a lot to ask. It really could go down to go to 2.5 R since we're at 3.5 R. That would technically be the 1 R stop. But I do want to give it room. 45.20 is the low of this candle. Man, I would love for this to hold my 3R line. Man, it's got quite a few minutes. The two's actually been pretty solid as far as maintaining this uptrend. Oh yeah, you short? Oh man. Dang. But why? Okay, I mean, we had a little volume spike right here. Let me stay focused while Artem over here crashing the market. Hold up. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Yeah, it definitely was flattening out at the top, but we'll see. Ooh, I'm gonna be mad at myself if it goes up from here. I'm gonna be mad. Uh, but nah, it's definitely looked like it was struggling. And I mean, it's been going kind of straight up for a while. But you got this volume spike here. Mm-hmm. Man, I'm feeling like I tripped. Gotta be okay with the plan, man. 3R is a great trade. However, stop is supposed to be right here. So, yeah, I need this thing at 444 for my sanity. For my sanity. Oh, oh boy. What's going on, HH over here hunting inverses, man, bro? I don't know. Thanks, bro. Well, all right, Artem, look like you 444.31. I just wanted to hit 444.30. uh totally engulfed that candle. Tim. Hey, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Just over here stressing because I took profits on this trade and it didn't make a lower low on the 5 yet, and I'm just a little anxious. Nah, it was a good trade. Could take profit, but I just want to see it fail at this point. But it shouldn't matter. Shouldn't matter. It's a good trade. 3R. Worked out really well. 10.05. I don't see anything in the SQs to make me think about entering, except for that maybe. Over 10.13. Woke up late. Thanks, T-Lo. Yeah, I actually woke up late today. Missed the gym. Got here like right at 9 o'clock. Bruh, I want to try a little half risk trade on the SQs, man. Not really. This is like the level where it broke out and did that yesterday. 14 cent. 35. Mm-hmm. Ah. Interesting point there, Brandon. But I'm acknowledging this is outside of my rule set, which is why I want to do half risk. Just because I feel like it's a good idea. Um, hmm. How much confirmation do I really have on this move? Not that much. Eat lobster today. What's the SPY doing? Honestly, man, it's holding up quite well. It's holding up really well. Hmm. Gotta get that streak to 1. You sure ain't lying there, Brandon. Yeah. Staying solid is more important than taking this reversal trade on the SQs. Man, appreciate you, sir. Thank you, Brandon. I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna chill out. I'm actually more interested in a high of day break to the upside. Ooh, I don't know, man. Nah, dog. I'm definitely not about to do that. Definitely not about to do that. No need. I'm chilling. We chilling, y'all. Ain't no need. Had a good trade. Not buying at the. Not buying there. But definitely was a great spot to take profit. Shout out my guy Artem over there for his market insight. Man, I want to take these SQs, bro. In my soul. In my soul, I want to take the SQs. Bruh. I tried, Brandon. I tried. I tried. What are we doing here? $5 risk. So I can go 10 cent. We're gonna capture this real quick though. What's this? 1013. Yeah, 1009 we out. Yeah. That's when it'll be easy to walk away with a small win. When the R's are a lot bigger and it's more significant, you know. Man, bro, 3 pony R's at a 500 R. That would be, bro. I'll be out of here, bro. At 3R, I'll be out of here. Like, yeah, all right, y'all. We did it. We did it. We made it. Let's go home. What we eating for lunch today? Probably start a lunch Instagram. Day trading eats. I should have committed to this entry. I would have got in 4 cent earlier. Come on, 1020. Yeah, buddy. All right. Stop up to 1011. Hey, y'all, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Best way to support the channel. Por favor. I don't know, man. I think I'm the kind of trader that needs like a wild card a day. So I might have to write in a half risk trade after, if I'm up, take a half risker. It makes a lot of sense though. That once the uptrend breaks on my long position and it's way extended from VWAP, I mean, it's not that far fetched to catch a ride back to VWAP. Yeah, I jumped in on the trend break on the Qs. Just a half risk trade, I'm pretty much done for the day, but I just wanted to try this little $5 risk trade. I've already moved my stop up some, so it's not even a whole $5 at this point. Wait a minute. I got 5 shares of the SQs. That's funny. I think I meant to get 50 shares. This is hilarious. Well, it's even less less consequential of a trade. I'm risking my little 25 cents, it looks like. That's hilarious. Yeah. I'm very happy that happens. Um the reason why I don't like this type of trade, and this is, I'm talking to myself so that next time I'm in this situation, hopefully I can remember this conversation that I'm having. But this is, the trend on this day is clearly down. And buying down here is counter trend. And although a very short term trade that I'm looking for, the pressure is still the other direction. So it's much less likely to follow through against the direction and more likely to continue back in the initial direction, you know? So yeah, that's not where I want to take my trades. It may turn out to be cool, but like this might have been the entry. But that being said, this was definitely a great take profit on this trade for sure, because I would have stopped out down here, which would have been 2R. So I was able to get another R out just by um, I saw it looking weak. This move up right here was very weak, and for it to break and then still pull all the way back in, weak. So yeah, man, good day. Good day. Asparagus and garlic mash with lobster tonight. Did you take it, Artem? I know you got them paper hands. Did you get that move down? Because it didn't last long. Nice. Killer, bro. You be killing the game out here, Artem. Be like you when I grow up, man. This is really the first real 5 minute pullback right here, to be honest. This ain't even really a pullback. This is more of a consolidation, which I mean is significant within itself. Hmm. What you think? Double top and then killer short? See, now you got something kind of to look at as far as an entry down here, right? Because now you have a low, and now you have, a higher high, and maybe a double bottom retest. This is something more significant to try and catch a bounce off, not just this down here. Hmm. Contemplating a higher day break on this thing. Hmm. My bad. Dang, I didn't realize I've been over here sweating this whole time. It's funny. All right. Yeah, this joint's strong. Yeah, so I really want clear cut rules on switching sides, which would have to be over this high, over the top of this candle. All this playing inside the range, trying to catch rides against the trend. I'm not there yet. Hmm. What you thinking, HH? I think 445 is looking like it's holding. Maybe not. Yeah, it's looking a little sketch at the moment. Nah, now I think the ride to VWAP is looking a little more imminent after that, but we'll see. We'll see. Just this 2 minute noise. Oh yeah. Oh, you on the short side. You in? Oh yeah. You said you was What'd you jump in? SOXS. Mm. Right, I got you. Got 1 minute left on this 5 minute candle. Still teetering at 445. It's been hanging out at 445 for a while. Yeah, 444.50. Well, there you go. And really got to use a 15 at this time of day. Let's see here. Hmm. How you feeling now, HH? I don't know, man. I'm still very bullish. We gonna see. We gonna see. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Yeah, well, man, the price is lingering, man. God, just lingering. This your only trade for the day, HH? You traded anything else? Man, where's Special Agent Noble? Wonder how he doing today. He said asparagus garlic mash with the lobster. while I'm chilling, let's see here. Um, hmm. I think I'm gonna mess. Joe Dub, you still in here? I'm gonna mess with this thing, this little program, see if I can get it to. Well, of course it's possible, but make it calculate where my stop would need to go. So, what does that look like? um. All right. So basically, I calculate my stop by. It would be something like. Let me write a little outline here. It would be total shares divided by or is it risk by total shares? Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, so it'd be R divided by total shares, and that should give me my stop size. Um, while I'm looking at this 2-minute chart, 10-minute chart, I don't know nothing about that. I don't know what to make of this thing right now. I don't know. It's holding up very well though. It's been chilling up here by 455 for a while, as you can see from these 15-minute candles. It might be another 10 minutes for this thing decides to go somewhere. But all right, so this will give me my stop size, and then I just need to subtract that from the position average. So that would be AV minus R divided by total shares, and we'll just say stop, and then throw this guy in there. Dang, bro, 1K on the day, bruh. That's goals. That's goals, man. Congrats, bro. I can't wait to have $1,000 day, man. I'm celebrating my first $1,000 day. I'm celebrating hard. Man, congrats, bro. Well done. Well done. I probably could have had double my profits if I would have scalped on that first trade I took on the SQs. Such is life. All right, so let's try this out. All right. So number of shares. I've been using this example because it's from a screenshot I took. 5 at 55. Look at that. So 25 shares. Well, if I got $10 divided by 25 shares, it's 40 cents. Okay, it worked. That was easy. Hmm. A little formatting. All right. It's not a bad program. Let's see. All right. Cool. Yeah, man, this thing look like it's going up, yo. What else can I make this thing do? I think I want to change this to hmm. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like that. That looks pretty good. Man, I miss when my touchpad would work, so I stopped leaving my GIFs stuck on like that. I don't know what happened to my I can't even remember how to write comments in in Python. I had to do a super refresher course. Okay, that's right. It's right there in the dang on code. I don't need to do all that. All right. Might as well make sure that works. All right. Well, I don't know, man. Looking like we might have a high day break. Look at this 15 over here looking real saucy. Yeah, I'm getting involved. Just $5 risk, and we'll see how it goes, man. See how it goes. I really wanted to get in over 65, but I'm trying to be patient and wait for the actual break of the day. Stop buying inside the range. Yo, the 15 is shaping up really nicely, though. What time is it? I really need to be out of here in like 15 minutes. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. If nothing happens, I'll just call it a day. It's probably about that time anyway. Hmm. Now I'm starting to think of other calculations I could write a little script for. Yeah, I could definitely do a position size calculator and just type in my entry and stop. Because usually I do the entry and stop, take the difference between the entry and stop, and then divide that by my risk. So I guess I could cut one step out of that. One calculation. All right, look like we're about to get tapped into this higher day break. I got it like 3 cents above, so I don't get like tapped in on a 1 cent fake out. Whoa. Golly. 14 cent of slippage on that one. Sheesh. 444.14. That mug exploded out of there. This is a nice second trade. I risk sized appropriately to the bottom of that hammer candle on the 15. My entry is above the higher high of day, and I'm only risking $5. So 3R would be 15. HH. Yeah, bro. I think today that little experimental trade I took on the SQs, I think it was beneficial for me, man, because it just made me realize that I don't want to play reversals like that, because it's against the trend of the day, you know. And I'd rather just either wait for it to, break low day and go the other way, or wait for a re-entry in the direction of the trend, you know. So, but we'll see how it works out. It looks, I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. I wish I didn't get that 20 cent slippage though. I really wanted to get in just under the high day at the first higher high, which would have been like 445.65, which is a lot lower than where it's at now. But I've been learning hard lessons about entering inside of the range, so I'm glad I waited. Yeah. Well, that's why I got my stop loss out there, HH, just in case, cause a brother do be wrong, man. I definitely do be wrong. But we about to see if I can get a little something out of this. 2R would be fantastic, man. Another 2R on the day. Help recover from yesterday's blunders. It's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. Look at that volume spike right there, boy. Right through the high day. Like, blam. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. That's looking cool. Well, let me stop getting excited. We still ain't really moved that far. What? You tried to short again? That's what you did, huh? The trend, the trend is your friend, my friend. Damn, bruh. You supposed to be at the store getting your garlic mash and your lobster, bruh. Are you going out for that? Man, nah, I know the game, bro. Don't, bro, just leave, man. Don't try to get it back, bro. Trust me, man. I don't know if I would listen though if you told me that. I would still sit here, but bruh, it ain't even worth it, bro. 750 is still an awesome day. It's not worth going down to 5. Little chicken dinner, man. Just go on and get the chicken dinner, bro. It's still pretty good. Chicken dinner's still pretty good. Hey, y'all, please hit that like button for me, man. If you having as much fun in here as I am. Hit that like button for your boy. Trying to grow this thing, man. It's growing well. Oh. Oh, I thought you already had the 1K in the bag. Mm-mm. The trend is your friend, my friend. Yo. All right, let's go on up to 449. That would be cool as heck. All right, forget the 1K, bro. You can't. We gotta have one thing. I'm talking to myself for sure, but there's got to be a line where you're just like, okay, I can't give back this much of my day, trying to get back one losing trade, right? Like I've had super big days where I took like I'd be up $100, man, and I'll take one trade and it'll drop me down to like 75. And now I'm like, dang, I really want to be up $100 again. So I'll risk another 25. And then now I'm at 50. And now I'm even more upset. And I'm like, man, I really got to get a trade back now. And then I take another trade and lose that. And now I'm down to 25 from 100. And now it's like, bruh, I can't go home with just one R after being up 4R. Like I'd rather be break even and get it try to get it all back. And then now I'm at break even. And now I'm like, well, what's 1R? And next thing you know, I'm red $100 after being up 100, man. Yeah, you just the market gives us what it gives us, man. We ain't got no control over that. We just try to take advantage of the moves, man. Win some, lose some. Uh, yeah, it got real thin up here at the top, didn't it? Got real thin up there. Yeah, I feel you. This ain't too promising action up here, but yeah, I don't like that. This thing don't hold 446. Probably a wrap. Hopefully. Why we always end up on opposite sides of the trade, HH? uh, we always on opposite sides, bro. Who's gonna win today? Bruh, you ain't lying, Jack. Through pain comes discipline. Man. Yeah, they say most people don't change until the pain of staying the same hurts more than the pain of change. That pain, boy, make you start changing how you do things. Wow. You tickling that max loss today, huh, HH? Yeah. Well, I guess if I'm right, you're gonna hit max loss, and if you're right, I'm gonna lose $5. uh, dang, that makes me really hope. I hope you're right, bro. Just go and take my $5, bro. I don't want you to lose 500, man. Just take my five, bro. Just take it, bro. You got it. Dun, 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 dun. I've been having that NFL song in my head since yesterday. Dun, 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 dun. Need to stop looking at this 1 minute chart, playing with my emotions. What do I think of snow? Let me check that out. Hmm. Actually, let's zoom out a bit here. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, it's at a pretty nice level right here, man. Over 121.50. Um, 121.50 could be pretty exciting. Over 121.50. What's high day? 121.37. Yeah, I mean, but it's moved up quite a bit on the day already, you know. So I don't know how much you could really expect out of the range, but it's kind of looking like the SPY, really. Um, it's up there at resistance, you know. Um, it's right up there. We got this day, and then we got this tap right here, and then this little area here. So it's at a level. If it breaks above, it could be pretty nice, but it could also get slapped up and go right back down to the other, to the bottom side. So I would probably just watch, if you're interested in it, watch that level 121.50. And, if you see what you like to see when you get into a trade, then, you could give it a shot for sure. It's not bad looking, but it's up, it's up. It's up at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 green candles. Little pullback though. It's not bad looking. It's uptrending. Market's uptrending, you know. But yeah, I'm just really my my guy was like, bro, you gotta hold off on advice. But I'm just giving my perspective on what I think looking at the chart. I'm definitely not this is not financial advice. But yeah, man, it's in a spot where something's about to happen, you know. Um yeah, 121.53 was yesterday's high. And yeah, it's got all this trading volume from these last days underneath it too. But then again, on this side, you got all this volume. So yeah, man, I'm interested to see what happens. You're not gonna wrap me out. uh, it's more like, I don't want you to be like, I shouldn't. He steered me wrong. I shouldn't have listened to him. I don't know. I think we're all adults though. We know that we're making the final decision. And I'm just giving my thoughts on the chart, which I think look pretty good. It seems to be following the SPY, so I would probably take a little sentiment off of what the SPY is doing, which seems to be similar to what the Qs is doing. Yeah. Look like we got some room to go up today, honestly. But we shall see. The SPY has a lot more resistance right here in the near future. Snow is at pretty much the top of its resistance. SPY got some fighting to do through all of this from yesterday. Pretty much same situation with the Qs. Looking for that new high a day. What's this low? 445.89. That's $1. I'm going around these little shares up. What time is it? 11:22. I really don't have time to be adding to positions right now. Yeah, I'm not giving much room on this one. Stops up tight. Uh, I will add over the high a day though. Be able to keep my stop in the same spot. How you holding up over there, HH? Whew. Yeah, man. That thing is down there. That bounce was mad weak. It did not get legs up there. Actually, let's do my little. I got 3 shares at 446.26. I want to add 2 shares at 446.85. That'll put me at 446.49. Stop will be at 444.49, but it'll be half of that because I'm doing 5R right now. So 445, 445.49. Yeah. Okay. All right, here comes here comes the price. Let's see if we hold that 446 or not. I guess we're I'm rooting for HH though, so I guess we're hoping for it to break. Trade my $5 for HH's not losing max loss, as if I have some sort of control over it. The HH competition continues. Oh, got me here at 11:30. Need another one of these right here. I know, man. I'm pretty sure I'm up. I'm pretty sure I'm up. Mm-mm-mm-mm. This me right here with my $5 risk. This HH. We are not the same. We are not the same. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh-wee. What, I lose $1? Well played, well played. All right, yeah, I'm done. I'm done, y'all. I ain't playing with this. I'm not gonna lose my monies playing around with pick me trades. Hopefully that thing falls through the floor for HH and he can get in there. Hopefully Artem didn't get back in, but if he did, I hope he scalps what he needs to scalp out of this move. Hope you guys had a great day on the market. Pretty good day for me. 3 R's and 2 extracurricular trades at the end of the day that didn't lose me much at all. So good for that. Learned a good lesson. Not a good lesson, but I guess it was a good lesson. A very cheap lesson about playing in the opposite direction of the trend. Yeah, I mean, definitely outside of a high level of support that I've pre-drawn, and but yeah, good day, man. Good day. Um, yeah, tomorrow. I'm just like now I'm holding my breath for my next choppy day to see how I survive because that's really like days like this are pretty easy for me. It's the choppy days that are very difficult where it's just changing directions over and over again, you know. So, um good day today. Good day today. Yeah. Hey man. Yeah, man. Like it. I definitely love it when my insight works too, man. It seems to work a lot. I just don't listen to it enough. I knew you was back in, bro. I already know, man. We the same, bro. We the same. You're a little further ahead, but we the same, bro. Yeah, no problem, Jack, man. Anyway, let me check on Snow before we head out, just because I'm curious. Yeah, pulling back with the spy, it makes sense. Makes sense. Did it ever trigger? Nah, I never triggered yesterday's high, so hopefully you're good. Yeah. All right, y'all, man. Should be a fun review video today. No excessive scolding needed for myself. And what's today? Thursday, yeah. So we just got to come back Friday and finish the week strong and keep moving forward. Keep moving forward, man. Anyway, appreciate all you guys for hanging out with me. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you have not. Join the journey, the community, all that good stuff. And look out for my review video later today. And I'll check y'all out in the morning for Focused Friday. Y'all have a good one, man. Peace.